There's literally a dust storm, guys. We gotta make it out of here. Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. We're currently in the middle of a dust storm. We gotta get out of here. It's always the same places that I'm always getting near a dust storm, guys. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but literally, all the dirt and everything is coming in. And the further we go in, it looks like there's gonna be heavy thunder, a heavy storm, heavy rain, heavy everything. Me and Paul, we gotta survive this. Hey, you know, we're experts going through dust storms. So crazy. Literally like 10 minutes ago, it was clear. I don't know why all of a sudden it's like this. It's just so crazy how literally the world works. I'm in Las Cruces, New Mexico. I'm going 10 east, heading towards El Paso. We're making our way to San Antonio, Texas. So guys, join me on this journey and let's see how everything goes. It looks like literally the whole way from here to San Antonio to McAllen, whole Texas area will be filled with a thunderstorm, rainstorm, whatever storm, severe storm. And you guys know I'm excited, boys. I am gonna be cooking some luxury ramen, guys. Ooh, you guys are not ready for what I'm about to cook up, guys. That is about to be a 10 out of 10. Woo wait, I hope you guys are excited just as much as I am excited, guys. And if you guys follow me, oh, whoa, am I fighting with the volante now? Also, guys, I am doing a 30-day without getting out of this semi truck to take my girlfriend on our 10-year anniversary vacation. So if you guys follow my Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms, you guys are maybe finding out now, or you just found out. But yeah, working 30 days straight without getting out of this semi truck to be able to afford to take my girlfriend on our 10-year anniversary. You know, sometimes being in this truck, you know, you got to work hard to play hard. So hey, it's all a journey, it's all a process. I will be revealing maybe in the next video where I'm gonna go, maybe not, but it's a place that me and my girlfriend have never gone. Super excited. To some people it may not be like, oh, that's cool, but I mean, to me and my girlfriend, it's about us, so that's what matters. And I hope I may vlog over there. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Sometimes I forget that I'm trying to do YouTube, but I get a lot of people in my DM telling me to keep recording for YouTube, and I'm not gonna lie, those messages are what keep me motivated to keep going and to at least keep trying. So even if it's just one person, I always said this, like, thank you, I appreciate it. You know, I hope you know that you're appreciated, and you know, I appreciate you. Yeah. We're currently in El Paso, Texas, guys. Literally trying to make it out of here before it gets darker, because once it gets darker, a lot of these cars, they tend to like build up, and low-key there's kind of traffic, so I gotta make it out of here. We got a couple more hours. I'm not gonna lie, a couple more hours, but we got like a 10-hour shift ahead of us. But I'm honestly not excited for that storm. Luckily, I always have boots with me and a jacket in here, so if you're a trucker, always carry a pair of boots. That's the best advice I could give you. Hey, this guy's flying. Hey, there's no trucks on the left lane. What the? This guy's zooming, bro. What? I'm going the speed limit, which is 65. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh my God, look at that sign. Low visibility, blowing dust. Wind advisory. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, I can even feel the wind. It's like coming in here. This company that I'm gonna be delivering to, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared, because it's, first of all, it's my first time delivering in that place. I don't really deliver in San Antonio, it's kind of rare. I always deliver in Houston, so just delivering in San Antonio, I already looked up the place on Google Maps. It looks super small, and I think I might have to be backing up blind spot. I'm not too sure, but I'm definitely not excited for that. So definitely, I don't even want to show you guys that part, but hey, I'm gonna show you guys if I struggle or if I don't struggle. I'm gonna keep that part in regardless.
course.
Yeah. All right, thank you, appreciate it. Currently 2:48 in the morning and we're still going at it. We're not stopping until we get to the company, no matter how tired we are, boys. I'm not like at a tiredness 1 to 10 right now. I'm currently like at a 6, 7. I'm like a 6 out of 10. I can still make it. We got like I don't even want to check the time, but I think we should be there by 5 a.m. which is the time they start receiving. So let's keep on going. I just popped open this C4 and literally I'm sipping on it. I don't really get this orange one, but I rated it cool. 6 as well. Cheers. We made it to San Antonio, Texas. We're actually entering, and as you can see, the thunderstorm has finally started. This is the part that gets me super excited because we about to get wet, boys. We're almost for a company. I think we got like 30 more minutes. Fingers crossed everything goes good, because with this rain sometimes reversing, like the mirrors get foggy and everything, and backing up in small spots makes everything hard. But hey, we got it, we got it. Oh look, that's actually a fuel spot that I fuel right there. When I'm on my way back to California, I always stop here to fuel. Oh, it's getting lit up, literally. Oh my God, guys, this is scary. This is my first time here at this company. Apache. Whew. En la puerta 4. I'm not even sleepy no more. It's already like 6 a.m. I literally just backed in. I'm telling you guys, I couldn't see nothing because right here, guys, when you're backing in during the rain, oh my God, this right here, it gets so hard, and then it just, I could barely see the lines. But we got it done, boys. You know, we got to get the job done. I really started this trip in Eloy, Arizona, and now I'm in San Antonio. It's currently 5:32 in the morning, and you know me, I'm a super trucker, baby. Now time to hit the bed for a couple minutes, for a couple hours. And yeah, guys, I'm so tired. I bet you guys can see it in my face. Woo! Tired. literally just coming out from making a delivery. What a run. We got it over with. That trail right here to walk under this bridge looks pretty nice. I would actually walk it. Honestly, I rate this place, the delivery, the people were so nice. They closed my doors and everything. I give it a solid 10 out of 10. Driving to the nearest truck stop to literally pull over and get some sleep. I want to be well rested before I even head out. We should be getting there, I think, in a couple minutes. I'm gonna stay at a TA. I mean, at a TA. What? I'm gonna stay at a QT. I'm not gonna lie, I was sleeping so good. Whew.
Turn right onto South Flores Road, Lavis Road.
I'm about to take a nap, guys. It's currently 7:50 in the morning. I gotta go take a nap. Oh my god, I'm tired. Let's get out of here. We're currently going to McAllen, Texas now. We're leaving San Antonio after a long, well spent, some sleep. You know, we're going to McAllen now. That's actually where my parents live. If you guys didn't know, my parents live in McAllen and I live in Fresno, California. It's currently 1:57. We're about to be there in the afternoon, so we're gonna be loading up tomorrow, hang out with the fam bam, my parents, and yeah, we're gonna chill. My mom gets down on the kitchen, bro. You know, have a good time. And we're gonna load tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow when we pick up. And let's see where that load goes tomorrow. Because We got a long way to go, boys. Long way. Yes, Sirski. No way, did someone recognize me? Bro, I think someone recognized me. Hey, what's up, man? Bro, someone recognized me while vlogging. Let's go, guys. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos, guys. Like, you guys don't know, like, seeing you guys on the road like this, it's the best feeling, and it keeps me motivated. You know, even if it's one person, bro, like, I'm super thankful for everyone that I see on the road. Oh man, I'm so thankful, man. So I ended up loading with my family. Literally went to go load with my family as soon as I got to McAllen, Texas. And now I'm on my way back to California. This load that I'm delivering is going to Chatsworth, Simi Valley area, right there, going on the 118. And there's a thunderstorm all over again, guys. It seems like right now in the summer, it's currently what, May? Wait, I don't even know the months. It's currently May 23, about to be summer, and there's literally like storm and thunderstorm. I feel like Ted. I'm about to start singing Ted, the movie Ted song. But anyways, guys, right now that I pull over, I can't wait to make me some bomb. Ooh, you know what? Paw is like leaning to the side, man. Come on, bro. Anyways, Paw's about to eat, I'm about to eat, and we about to call it a night. I almost stayed the weekend in McAllen, Texas. Especially this load that I'm doing is really light. I'm hauling right now baby diaper cream, something like that. I'm not really too sure, but basically, long story short, is that I'm basically like really light, so I'm like fighting my steering wheel so that I won't like flip over, you know, because there's been a lot of incidents like that. So yeah, we're just trying to keep it calm and collective, make it to our destination, call it a night. I'm only gonna do like maybe 2 more trips, and then I'm going back home. I'm gonna take some time off, go on a little vacation with my girlfriend. So I'm currently doing that challenge 30 day, and yeah, this is the reality of working 30 days straight. Have a good night, Paul. Going to bed, bro.